Hello everyone. Welcome once again to CloudSage Technology India Private Limited. At CloudSage, we provide high-quality training in various SAP S/4HANA modules with experienced instructors dedicated to helping students reach their full potential. We also have options of paid internship and 100% placement assistance. Whether you're looking to enhance your skill in SAP or prepare for certification or explore new interests, we have a program tailored for your needs. In our previous video, we did a comparative analysis between ECC and S4HANA, and we looked into the key differences from technical and finance perspective. Today, we're going to cover the differences in logistic module. There are 7 key differences in the logistic module. We are going to talk about the introduction of business partners, material requirements planning, integrated business planning module, material documentation table, advanced available to promise module, global trade services, and extended warehouse management. The first key difference in the logistic module is the introduction of business partners. Within SAP ECC, customers and vendors are distinct data entities, whereas in S4HANA, these entities are consolidated into a cohesive master data entity known as SAP Business Partners. The integration of customers and vendors into business partners brings forth various advantages, such as single business partner can fulfill multiple roles and process multiple addresses. Secondly, general data is shared across various roles, leading to reduction in the database size. And the third one is minimized redundancy, as any unused data is removed after a specific period of time. The second difference in logistic module is planning the material requirements in real time. In ECC, conducting material requirements planning, which is also known as MRP, requires waiting until non-peak hours and executing a batch job. In contrast, S4HANA allows real-time MRP execution. Additionally, subcontracting processes have been streamlined in S4HANA. However, a limitation in that MRP can no longer be performed at the storage level as was possible in ECC. But in S4HANA, it is limited to the plant and area levels. The next one is the SAP IBP or Integrated Business Planning add-on. Previously, customers had to use a separate application called Advanced Planning and Optimization for logistic planning. But in S4HANA, the key submodules of the Advanced Planning Optimizers, such as Demand Planning and Supply Network Planning, have been consolidated in the new module called SAP Integrated Business Planning. Production planning, detailed scheduling, and parts of the other global available to promise module have been partially combined within the S4HANA digital core itself. As a result of this modification, there is no automatic migration from APO to the new configuration. So while moving from APO to S4HANA, all the settings and configurations must be re-implemented. The next change is the introduction of MatDoc table in S4HANA. In ECC, material documents were stored in various tables such as MKPF and MSEG, whereas in S4HANA, it is stored in the MatDoc or MATDOC table, which is also known as Material Documentation Table, eliminating the needs for more than 26 tables that are currently present in the ECC system. The MatDoc table maintains the records of material movements, valuation, and other relevant information. It is part of the unified data model in S4HANA, which aims to simplify data structures and improve system performance. The next one is the introduction of Advanced Available to Promise module. In ECC, you can check product availability, product allocations, and back orders with Available to Promise module. Whereas the Advanced Available to Promise functionality in S4HANA represents an enhanced and more sophisticated version of the ATP functionality, such as using the unified data model, where the data is stored in a single table, that is AC Docker. This allows for real-time visibility into ATP information, and it also uses automation for functionalities such as releasing items for delivery, check stock availability, alternative plans, and performing must availability check. The next one is the introduction of global trade service functionality in S4HANA. Within S/4HANA, the Global Trade Service module supersedes the foreign trade capabilities found in ECC. The Global Trade Services employs automation to enhance the efficiency of tasks that were previously performed manually in ECC, such as embargo checks, license verification, and the processing of import and export declarations. The last one is in the logistics space is the introduction of extended warehouse management module in S/4HANA. Warehouse management was a module in the ECC application. The warehouse management module in ECC focused on the effective management of warehouse processes, including the receipt storage and retrieval of goods within a warehouse. In S/4HANA, there has been a shift towards the SAP Extended Warehouse Management module, which provides advanced feature and a more comprehensive solution for warehouse management, such as slotting and rearrangement, labor management, advanced shipping and receiving, multiple storage, and advanced analytics and reporting. With this, we have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents and updates. Don't forget to turn on notification. Thank you for being part of this session. You may visit our website or call us on the contact number shown on the screen for more details. We are also available on all leading social media platforms. You can follow us at CloudSage Tech for regular updates. Thank you.